If you're looking for a versatile mounting solution for your EchoMap Plus 7XCV, the tilt, swivel mount with quick-release cradle is worth considering. Designed to give you full control over your GPS device's position, this mount lets you easily adjust the screen angle for optimal viewing, whether you're on the water or at home. This mount stands out because of its quick-release cradle, allowing you to remove your EchoMap Plus 7XCV effortlessly. That means you can switch between boats or bring your device inside without hassle. It's a practical feature that saves time and protects your investment from the elements when not in use. One user shared how they connected their Garmin GPS to a DC power supply at home, using the mount to manage waypoints and tracks at their own pace. This setup eliminates the pressure of handling navigation tasks while out on the boat, making planning and review more convenient and relaxed. The mount is also praised for its sturdy design and ease of installation. It holds the device securely while allowing smooth tilting and swiveling. This flexibility matters when you need to adjust the screen quickly in changing light conditions or seating positions. If you own more than one boat, this accessory proves even more valuable. Having an extra cradle means you can easily transfer the plotter from one vessel to another without any complicated setup. It's a simple way to keep your navigation consistent across different trips. Made in China, this accessory matches the quality and durability expected from Garmin-compatible mounts. It's tailored specifically for the EchoMap Plus 7XCV, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance every time you use it. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or adding flexibility to your navigation gear, this tilt, swivel mount with quick-release cradle offers practical benefits. It enhances usability and protects your device, so you get more from your Garmin EchoMap Plus 7XCV. If that's you, someone who values ease of use and versatility, this mount is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to simplify your navigation experience and keep your GPS device secure and accessible.